How you doing? James G here. Welcome to the channel. Start this with a few phone clips, just basically different types of contracts for customer reference, etc. But clearly there's a bit more to it than that. I've been really busy lately, but I'm going to try and make a special effort to post more regularly. So if you help me, and please hit the subscribe and like button, and even leave a comment, as it really does help all around. Bye for now, and hope you enjoy the clip. Hello, nice wee job in Ballyhome. Very small job, only took an hour or two. But the reason why I'm putting it in is because it's like, yes, there is a God. It's like Christmas twice in 1 year. I was getting this load of money to take this thing out, and I was allowed to keep it. So our workshop's just given a bit of an upgrade. What else can you say about it? It is what it is. This stuff here, look. It's costs a fortune, that stuff. The state of it, money there. Plus, we paid a load of money to take us out of a house in Ballyhome. I can't believe it. It's like winning the friggin' lottery. Like, Invicta. Like, these are way, the cheapest ones are way over £1,000.